Imagine being wronged with no camera to prove it. In an accident, if the guilty driver erases evidence, a dash cam can be a lifesaver. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 dash cams. Let's dive in. Number 1. Nextbase IC. The Nextbase IC stands out with its high video quality and smart features offering 1K, 2K, and 4K options. This camera ensures exceptional clarity. With expanded front, cabin, and rear views, you get clear images from every angle. Beyond video quality, the Nextbase IC boasts smart features like intelligent park assistance, voice-activated witness mode, and monitoring through the Nextbase IC app. It also supports GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, keeping you constantly connected. Key features include intelligent park assistance to ease parking maneuvers and voice-activated witness mode for accident scenarios. Live View allows you to monitor your vehicle and surroundings via the app. The Nextbase IC draws power directly from your vehicle's battery, staying active even when the car is off. If the battery level is very low, the system shuts down to prevent battery drain. Overall, the Nextbase IC combines high video quality with smart features, making it an excellent choice for secure monitoring and more. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Despite its small size, this dashcam is designed to deliver high-quality footage. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 offers solid performance with 1080p resolution and 30 fps. Its 140-degree wide-angle lens captures everything on the road. While higher resolution models are available, this compact device is more than sufficient in terms of price and functionality. Garmin does not include a memory card, so you'll need to provide your own. The Mini 2 is compatible with cards ranging from 8GB to 512GB, and Garmin recommends a Class 10 or faster card. The camera features 2 buttons, one to toggle audio recording and the other to save the last recorded image. This button is useful for saving video during an incident. Collision detection automatically saves footage, but manual recording is also available. The camera records HDR-supported 1080p Full HD video at 30 fps, clearly capturing road signs and license plates, though the 140-degree field of view might be insufficient for some users. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 offers a simple and effective solution, perfect for those seeking high-quality footage in a compact form. Number 3. Miofive S1 Ultra. Introducing the Miofive S1 Ultra, a dash cam that records in 4000 resolution and stands out with its budget-friendly price. The Miofive S1 Ultra captures 4K video, a feature often not found in budget-friendly 4K options. It delivers clear images with good color saturation and minimal noise in low-light conditions. The S1 Ultra combines high video quality with a sleek design and a 3-inch screen. It includes GPS for adding speed information to your recordings and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast video transfers. With the Miofive app, transferring a 250 MB file takes 20–30 seconds. While budget 4K dash cams often falter, the Miofive S1 Ultra excels. It delivers smooth, detailed 4K HDR video at 30 fps. Key details, traffic lights, and road signs are clear, though colors may be flat and nighttime clarity could decrease. The dashcam automatically starts recording when the vehicle is running and saves each minute of footage in separate files until the memory card is full. Collision detection saves footage in a separate and secure folder. Nighttime recordings may be slightly less clear, but the performance is still impressive for the price range. AI features like fatigue driver alert or harsh driving warning are available, with the stop-and-go reminder being more useful for most users. Number 4. Nexar Pro. Designed for professional drivers, this device features both front and interior cameras. The Nexar Pro offers a 1080p front camera and a 720p interior camera, with a 135-degree field of view, capturing a wide area and recording driving data with GPS. It comes with 32 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded if needed. The Nexar Pro's front camera mounts with a suction cup, and the interior camera attaches with a sticky pad. The package includes a 3-meter cable, USB charger, and cable management tools. Moving the cameras between vehicles might lead to cable clutter. The interior camera provides theft alerts and automatic recording, offering video evidence. Nexar's emergency alerts enhance safety during trips. With 1080p quality, the Nexar Pro performs well in both day and night conditions. The front camera handles adverse weather and bright sunlight effectively. Cloud storage simplifies video management. In summary, the Nexar Pro offers extensive storage, dual cameras, and cloud features, making it a great choice for professional drivers. Its straightforward setup and app-based settings management make it a top pick for high-performance and affordable dash cam needs. Number 5. Vantrue E1. The Vantrue E1 is a compact dash cam that records in 2.5K resolution. With a 160-degree wide angle, it features GPS tracking and stores footage on a microSD card not included. It also includes a wireless remote for voice commands and manual recording. The camera mounts easily to your windshield with a magnetic bracket, which also provides data and power connections. The camera can be quickly removed and reattached, though there are concerns about its stability in severe collisions. It features a 1.54-inch screen and is controlled via 3 buttons on the lower panel. It is recommended to use the Vantrue mobile app to turn off the screen and recording indicator light. The Vantrue E1 includes a wireless remote for automatic recording upon collision and offers voice command functionality in English, Chinese, Japanese, and Russian. It records in 2.5K and HDR 2560 x 1440 resolution, and for smoother footage, you can record at 1920 x 1080 resolution and 60 fps. It provides high-quality video both day and night, with acceptable noise in low light. The polarized filter helps reduce dashboard reflections. In conclusion, the Vantrue E1 offers compact design, high-quality features, magnetic mounting, voice commands, and a remote, providing excellent performance for both daily and professional use. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. See you in the next video.